I tried to emulate a rocket popsicle today, but I think the blue just needed to be a little bit darker. This is update 8 for Face Off Project Pan, and I am so excited. I'm gonna do my best not to rush through this and get to the point that I really want to share, but just know that I am super eager to share my progress with you on a certain product. The first product I have to update you on is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Hyaluronic Acid Foundation. This is supposed to be a 35-hour wear. I can't attest to that, but as for the foundation, it's been working pretty good for me. I find it's easy to apply, it smooths over, it buffs in, so far so great. I have repurchased this in the past. So this month I was able to get 13 more uses on this product, bringing it to a total of 17. When I brought it in back in May, it weighed 114.4 grams. Last month it weighed 113 on the dot, and this month it weighs 106.7 grams, meaning in the last month I did use 6.3 gram of product, and in total I have used 7.7. Good grief. I feel tired even just thinking about saying the name of this product. This is the Pat McGrath Labs Skin Fetish Sublime Perfection Blurring Under Eye Powder in the shade Light. This I also used 13 times this past month, bringing it to a total of 66 uses. And when I brought it in back in May, it was 35.1 gram. Last month it was 34.3 grams, and this month it is 34.1 gram, meaning I had used 0.2 gram of product this past month for a total of 1 gram of product so far this project. And as you can see, we have definitely gotten rid of that top dome there. It's now a bit concave. So I've started working kind of on the sides of the product. The face powder I am currently working on I think is a little bit too drying for me, but if I remember correctly, they came out with a more hydrating version of this, and I might be tempted to try that once this one is gone. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and it is in the shade 05 Fair. I reached for this also 13 times this past month. You'll see a theme with the numbers here, but in total I have gotten 18 uses out of this. Back in May when I brought it in, it weighed 75.3 grams. Last month it weighed 74.5 grams, and this month it weighs 70.8, meaning I was able to use 3.7 gram of product this past month, and in total I have used 4.5 gram of product. I am getting pretty down to the bottom there. I think maybe another month or two and this one actually might be gone. I can't contain my excitement. You know that this is the product that I am super excited to talk about. This is one of those ones that happened halfway through the month, and I'm like trying to keep my mouth shut, trying not to have any spoilers for anybody, but I'm like, I just want to do this update because I am so excited to talk about this product. This is the Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the shade Peach Show Wafers, and it is actually probably my favorite blush currently just because it looks really natural on my skin. I have been working on this since December when I brought this product in, and let's just say it definitely was slow and steady with this product. Every month for like the past couple of months, I'm like, am I gonna hit pan? Am I gonna hit pan? And the answer was always no. However, this past month, I did get 13 more uses on it, bringing it to a total of 132 uses. Back in December, it weighed 31.9 grams. Last month, it weighed 28 grams, and this month it weighs 27.6, meaning I have used 0.4 gram of product in the past month for a total of 4.3. Now let me show you what it looks like. So excited to share with you. Look at that. Not only did we get like a little pan, like we got quite a bit of it. So what I'm thinking had happened, because I used the sponge to apply it, I think it was just wearing it down kind of like almost evenly on all the points, and then just eventually when we hit the pan it just exploded from there. I had that feeling it was gonna happen. I just, wanted it to happen sooner than it did, but I am so ecstatic that it finally did happen. I can't believe there's actually pan in this product. I should have ended with that product because then it would have been like, oh, this amazing ending to it. But we still got one product left to talk about, and this one always comes with your monthly reminder to clean your dang brushes. This is the Cinema Secrets Makeup Brush Cleaner, and I think I actually enjoy a solid brush cleaner over this. This seems really good if you're just kind of like needing that quick fix, but if you're actually looking to like deep clean your brushes, I just don't feel that this is it. So once I get through this, I'll probably reach for just a bar of soap and start washing my brushes that way. However, we still got quite a bit to use, so that'll be a long ways in the future. I did, however, reach for this product 5 times in the past month, and since I brought it in last month, that's 5 monthly and total uses so far. Last month when I brought it in, it was 369.1 gram. This month it is 341.2 grams, meaning monthly and total usage is 27.9 grams. And I'm going to remind you one last time, clean those brushes. So that is update 8 for Face Off Project Pan. I am super excited about that pan. I've been holding it in for like half a month and I just wanted to share it with all of you. So I'm finally happy that you guys get to know as well and you can share in the excitement with me. Thank you so much for watching this video today and being here with me on my channel. It really helps my channel out and it encourages me to keep going. And until the next one I see you in, I hope the day treats you well. Bye.